Need to print passport photos but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you every possible way to create and print passport photos, at home or in store. First, the standards. Your photo must be exactly 2 by 2 inches, high resolution, and printed on quality photo paper with a plain white background. The easiest method is using an online tool like Photobooth online. It automatically removes your background and resizes your photo to the perfect dimensions. You'll get a 4 by 6 template that's ready to download. This makes printing much more affordable and ensures the sizing is spot on. To print at home, use glossy photo paper. Crucially, set your printer to actual size and disable any fit-to-page options to keep the dimensions exact. Always double-check your settings. Selecting the correct paper size and quality mode will ensure your photo meets government standards. If you print at a store like CVS or Walgreens, upload your template as a standard 4 by 6 photo. It costs cents compared to $15 for their service. Avoid common mistakes like using regular paper or low-resolution files. These will lead to your application being delayed or rejected. Check the description for links to Photobooth online to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Good luck!